Hi, y'all. I hope you're having a great day. I've got about 6 unboxings to do before I take off for the weekend to go spend some time in Sedona. I think I'm going to do a little bit of vlogging from there, so we'll see how that goes and whether or not I end up doing a video and putting it together. But today, we're going to be opening Cosmiccrystal, and this is such a great little crystal box. So Cosmiccrystal is a monthly subscription box that sends earth magic and intention setting rituals to grow your practice, craft, and spiritual path. The Cosmiccrystal can include one large crystal or a combination of smaller points, rough stones, clusters, raw specimens, or polished stones. The box runs $20.95 a month with a $5 shipping fee, but can be as low as $20.95 a month if you do an annual subscription. So this box to me is great because it is good for the beginning crystal person who getting 3 or 4 gems a month is the perfect amount for you to work with those stones and get to know them. And she's been doing such an amazing job the last several months of putting together like little sets for us, or it's just been really good. And for the price, you just cannot beat it. So let's review really quick what we got in last month's box. So in last month's box, it was like the best box ever. I kept all 3 stones. I've worked with them. They were so amazing. My very favorite was that gorgeous piece of pink tourmaline, and it has the most calming energy. It's been so nice. I've been using it kind of in conjunction with some of my Lemurian seed crystals and some of that. It's been really amazing. So that was the greatest gift. Then we got the rhodonite, and that was absolutely beautiful. Such a heart stone, such a love that emanates from that stone. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then we got that green fuchsite that was absolutely amazing too. And I feel like it's like my lucky stone or something. So last month's box was amazing. And I actually kept all 3 stones. So that tells you how cool it was. So yeah. So let's get into this month's box. Dun, 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 dun. Oops. So when you open it up, you've got the cards on the top for your stones, and we'll look at those as we look at the stones, and then the stones are tucked down in there, all safe and sound. So let's see here. First you have her card, and then one of the stones is printed on the back. So we'll look at those as we get these. So let's see. First we have, ooh, that's celestite. That's like a cluster or a geode celestite. That is so pretty. Look at that. So it's just like got the geode side. So pretty. Wow. That is so pretty. Celestite assists in promoting clear communication, used for angelic communication as well as with spirit guides, helps with dream recollection, promotes compassion, helps release stress and tension, used to assist with astral travel, and promotes inner peace and calm. The chakras, the throat, zodiac Gemini, planet Venus and Neptune, and the element is water and air. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Very cool. For the new moon coming up this Friday, we're actually going to do some stuff that would be really appropriate with for the communication and stuff like that. Then we have, ignore the doorbell. Oh, Selenite Heart. It's wrapped in plastic. Very pretty. Can never have too much selenite laying around. Remember, selenite, you can, like a little chip in it. Oh no, oh that's cool. Let's see if I can get that to focus on it. There's like a little piece right there where it's completely clear. That's really cool. I can't really pick it up very good, but you can see the different variations in it where it's got different. I've never seen a selenite that has like this clear place in it. It is so pretty. That's really special. Like it almost looks like it's got quartz and then the rest is selenite. That's crazy. That is so pretty. Selenite. Selenite clears energy blockages in the body. It can be used to cleanse the aura and energy of other stones. Selenite activates the crown chakra, which represents the highest level of consciousness or enlightenment. It assists in connecting to your higher self, heightens intuition, and provides mental clarity and sharpness. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. I wish I could get it to pick up, but I really can't get it to, because it's only halfway see-through, and the camera just won't pick it up. Kind of. There. See? That is so cool. So neat. And last but not least, there's our other little stone. Where'd it go? It's hiding. There it is. Ah, a white howlite. I love howlite. I have a double pointed howlite that I use all the time. You do have to be careful with howlite. If you find it and it's really, some are really cheaper compared to others. Some of them are dyed. So it's a gorgeous little tumbled piece. And it says, Howlite. Howlite helps to reduce anxiety, tensions, and stress. Howlite can be used to facilitate awareness, encourage emotional expression, and assist in the elimination of pain, stress, and rage. Howlite can calm and soothe the emotions, slow the overactive mind, and help to achieve a deep and restful sleep. I love howlite. It's so calming. You just hold it and it's just a really peaceful stone. And I like it when it's tumbled or in a tower, because it just feels so good to rub your fingers against it too. So this month, quick review, we got the Selenite Tower, or the Selenite Heart. We got the Howlite and that beautiful Celestite Cluster. So another great box with 3 beautiful gems. I give this box a thumbs up. Thanks so much, Zuzu, for all you do. What did you guys think? What was your favorite? Did you like the Celestite? I'll bet the Celestite's your favorite. I'm guessing. Tell me, am I right? Am I right? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button and become a part of our growing holistic healing family. I'm really excited. We're getting great interactions with people, and I'm learning so much from so many of you. A lot of you have taught me things like someone caught that I was saying Lemurian instead of Lemurian. Yeah, Lemurian is what it's supposed to be. So sorry I messed that up. And I just picked up a couple. I've got 2 of them of the 3 that I picked up, but is that not gorgeous? A Lemurian gem. And if you can see what makes it Lemurian, see those striations, the lines that come across here, almost like barcodes? It's said that is the information from the island of Mu and the Lemurians. And then I picked up this little piece. Isn't that gorgeous? See the striations? I love it. So I've been working with these I got these in Sedona, and I'm headed back up with my daughter to Sedona this weekend, so we'll have to see what other fun goodies I get. Let me know if you're interested in doing that, in me posting that little vlog of different things that with us up in Sedona looking around, and we're going to go to the stupa and stuff like that. So it should be a fun weekend. Anyway, have a great day. Remember to come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.